What's going on YouTube? Harlan here with Money Mindset, and I'm going to be talking about today's hot stock, Facebook. Alright, so it's not really hot because of the massive gains. It's actually really hot because of the massive losses overnight. Alright, so Facebook reported its quarterly earnings after the bell yesterday, which was July 25th. Today's 26th, and immediately dropped 9 to 10% right here. Let's see. Yeah, so it dropped 9%, averaged out right there. And then they had the conference call with the CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, and the CFO and stuff like that. And they mentioned that they have an outlook for the next quarter three, quarter four, that they're going to be seeing a single digit decrease in sales as well as average daily users, and that's what caused the stock to plummet even more. So overall, so from the high yesterday to the low, lost 24%, around 24%, and that's pretty big. So that's the biggest loss that Facebook has had since they first went public. But it is, in my opinion, it's perfect buying time right now. I was gonna buy earlier this morning and catch up on this 2 to 3% surge at the morning. But let's see, I didn't do that. Instead, I was looking at AMD and stuff like that, stocks that I already owned, and they actually went up quite a bit today because of Facebook's losses. There was a bunch of news today about how this affected a bunch of the tech stocks. So like, for example, Nvidia is up $3, AMD's up 2, which is quite a bit considering it was only $16. Let's see. Yeah. But anyways, so today Facebook stocks fell sharply on Thursday following the social network's second quarter earnings. The tech company's stock fell as much as 19%, while as we saw 24%, and it cut 120 billion from Facebook's market cap. That is a lot of money, guys. But it was at an all-time high right here. It rallied all throughout the day yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, so yesterday it rallied. It went up. Let's see. It went up a good 1-2%. But as we can tell, the market is never uh, real time. So it's always estimated. So like the numbers are never exactly how much a stock is going to be worth at any given time. Just because of reports and news, it could rally or it could do the opposite.